1.
So, hi team.
Hello everyone.
Hi, hello.
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 Can I start?
Yes,
Yeah,
please.
yeah.
Hello everyone. We are students of 7th semester studying in RB College of Engineering. In this video, we are interviewing a project manager for our EL of the course, Project Management. My name is Shreevidya and I am from EC department.
I'm Shubh from EC department as well.
I'm Shrey Mahajan from AAA department.
I'm Sukrutha from Telecom.
So yeah.
Okay.
Shubham, can you please introduce yourself?
So, hi team. I'm Shubham. I have graduated in 2018 from Rajasthan Technical University. Currently, I'm working with Zoho as a PM. So, my main role include like managing the projects with discussing it with respect to stakeholders and all the feasibility checks, like what are the feasible diagrams, all the what are feasible deliverables that will be providing to the client. These all are my roles that I am handling at Zoho right now.
Okay, let's get started with the interview then.
Yeah,
So
yes.
my first question is,
Mhm.
how do you align your project management approach with organizational strategy and business value?
So with organization and business value, like for our first approach is like to gather the requirement from the stakeholders, just to conduct the surveys on all the take the feedbacks from the respective customers. Like if there is any requirement or any feasible feature that needs to be developed, we just ask from all the cross teams, like there's a customer feedback or something that you can say that actual end users what they're expecting. Then we just gather all those things from these all the cross teams. Then eventually we just frame up a wireframe or any scope document to discuss, like whether they want it or they are agreeing with it. On the basis of that, we just go further for this.
Coming to my next question,
Mhm.
how do you generate and screen project ideas in your organization?
Okay. Regarding this getting project ideas, we just check our competitor products in this case as well. Let's say, let me just give you some practical experience of mine. That is a login functionality to any module or anything. We just compare it to other competitor products as well. Then we do the UI checks, the UI feasibility checks as per the customer need, like what is the most user experience friendly UI. According to it, we just gather information from other members as well, like our internal teams from some forums. We have a forums option, like we post there. We post the polls there and get the vote from that particular form. According to it, the most high rated uh, uh, opinions, we are just using it to implement these features in our product.
Yeah, that's great to hear, sir. So
Uh,
even I have a couple of questions. So yeah, my question is, how do you collect requirements and define the project scope?
okay. So regarding this requirement, basically these are coming to us from the stakeholders only. Like they just give us a roughly idea that what exactly they need. On the basis of it, we just create the scope document and the feasibility document, then the technical documents that are shared with the teams, respective teams. And regarding this, uh, the proper execution, we are following that RACI metrics we do have for it, like who will be the responsible for this. In our, we also called it as a traceability metrics or a RACI metrics. We can make use of the all the resources and allocate more efficiently using this, where we are
Uh,
maintaining the responsibilities of each.
yeah, okay, that's great to hear, sir. And one more question. So how do you create and validate the work breakdown structure?
Okay. See, that depends upon the timeline, the deadline, and all the flexibility of hours we are having. Let's say if we are getting a huge timeline for this a particular project, then definitely we will be using the less resources, that because there is no such need to implement all the resources in a single project. But if we have a short span of time to deliver it in a sorry, we can just assure the quality of this or deployment or any development that is being asked to us.
Yeah. Oh, okay, sir. I'll now ask Shreya to ask more questions if he has.
Hello, sir. Now I'll start with my questions. My first question is, how do you create a project charter?
So for creating the project charter, basically we just need a roughly document from the client, like what exactly they need. On the basis of it, we just prepare a formal document, like agreement document between the client and us. That on the these points we'll be agreeing, we'll be developing these set of functionalities for you. If they are agreeing with it, then we just plan a resource allocation, the risk identified, the deliverables that will be given to the client at the time of closure of this task. These are all maintained and then shipped to the end customer.
Yeah, great. Now coming to my next question, what steps do you take to ensure the project quality?
So regular checks and regular intervals, like at an interval of we just maintain this whole task in a agile methodology. We use a sprint to just track these things. A regular daily stand up is done to check the progress, what has been done, what is left behind, how we can just overcome this backlog. All those things are weekly reviews with the stakeholders and all the above concerned authorities. We just do it at an regular interval. If there is something delay, that is informed to client prior to it. If there is any delay in the release or any something, we are just having a emergency call with the client that we will not be able to deliver it due to some reasons. That is already made sure with the client, that at the end time we're not making any fuss about this, that will be shipped. So in this way we are just managing all those things.
Okay, sir. Coming to my last question, how do you
Mhm.
identify and assess the project risks?
Okay. Assessing about the projects, with basically we learn from our past mistakes or from the past issues, from the past projects, what we have experienced. We make sure that is not getting repeated in this. Also, we are maintaining the risk register with particular project. Like if we face this type of issue in that project, we are making sure that that is not being same left behind or leads to the production. So in this way, we're just maintaining the risk. We're just keeping a risk register basically for this.
Hello, sir.
Okay, sir.
Here are my few questions to ask to you. How do you
Yes.
manage resources and allocate them effectively?
Basically, allocation depends upon the skill set of a particular person and the all things about the budget of the client or budget of the whole project. Also, the main concern that or the main focus is on the RACI. Like there is a term in our management or something. It's called RACI, responsible action and consumer irresponsible person. Like who will be doing which task, which set of tasks. If there is a development or a requirement needed, then there is a business analyst term that is used for framing the requirements. If it's particular development related, so developer will take it. If it is quality, all those these skill sets are maintained, and then we are allocating the resource for each project.
That's great, sir. My second question is, how do you evaluate project performance and control deviations?
So project performance is maintained by regular meetings, regular stand-ups, regular checkups. According also the QA is also verifying these. Apart from the QA, we have also implemented beta users that are within our organizations. If any product is yet to be shipped, we just give it to the practical users for our beta testing. In this way, we're ensuring if there is any bug or any release to production, that is internally handled from these users. So they are coming back to the dev teams, we are just fixing it. In this way, we are maintaining the quality, all those things of the product that has been shipped.
My last question is, what strategies do you handle project closure effectively?
Basically, for a project closure or for exit criteria of any project, that will be the deliverables that will be sent to the customers. Basically, the test cases that we have performed, the testing data that we have used for verifying all those tests, and a proper bug report that was submitted during testing. All those things are given. A help document, a procedure document, a manual to customer that these are the features that have been tested and these are live now, you can use with this. So these are closure criteria for any project. I hope
Yeah,
I have
yeah, I
this.
think that summarizes every questions we had, and yes, sir, if you would like
Okay.
to tell anything.
So yes, I'm open for this. Like I also enjoyed with you guys.
Yeah, we are
The
glad and thank you for your time. And I hope everyone has learned some new project management concepts through this session.
it's a good initiative, I really liked it.
Yeah, okay. I think that sums it all. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you everyone, thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you,
Yeah,
you so
sir.
much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your valuable time.
Okay,
yeah.
thank you.
Okay, thank you.